Struggling to update your Hisense TV or just want to ensure it's running the latest features? Keeping your TV's software up to date is essential for enhancing your viewing experience, improving device performance, and accessing new features. Today, I'll guide you through the steps required to update the software on various Hisense TV models, such as Android TV, Roku TV, VIDAA TV, Fire TV, Google TV, and even older models. Each model requires a specific update process, so let's get your TV up to speed with the latest updates. Let's start with updating your Hisense Android TV, a straightforward process that ensures your TV operates optimally with the latest software. First, turn on your TV and access the home screen, where all your apps and settings are located. Navigate to the Settings menu, often identified by a gear icon, and select Device Preferences. From there, scroll down to the About section and choose System Update to check for available updates. If an update is available, your TV will display an option to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update, which may include restarting your TV. Once the update is installed, your TV will be up to date, enhancing performance and unlocking new features. Updating your Hisense Roku TV to the latest firmware is a straightforward task that keeps your device running smoothly with new features and improvements. To begin, turn on your TV and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to the Settings menu, usually located at the bottom of the screen or identifiable by a gear icon. Select System, and then choose System Update to check for available updates. If an update is available, it will appear on your screen. Click on Update to start the installation process. Your TV will automatically handle the update and may restart to complete the installation. Once updated, your Roku TV will have the latest features and security enhancements, improving your overall viewing experience. For those with a Hisense VIDAA TV, updating manually is also a simple process. Start by navigating to the Settings menu from the home screen, then proceed to the Support section. Here, select System Update, followed by Check Firmware Upgrade. The TV will search for available updates, and if any are found, you can proceed to install them. Moving on to Hisense Fire TV, the update process is equally user-friendly. From your home screen, click on the Settings icon, then select either My Fire TV or Device and Software, depending on your model. Choose Check for Updates, and if an update is available, select Install to begin the process. Your TV will automatically download and install the update, which may include a restart to complete. Updating your Hisense Google TV involves a few simple steps. Start from your home screen and open your profile. Then, navigate to Settings and select the System option, followed by About. Here, choose System Update. If updates are available, they will start downloading automatically. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to Restart Now. Lastly, if you have an older Hisense TV model that requires a USB update, here's what to do. First, download the appropriate update file from Hisense's official website. Transfer the upgradeloader.pkg file to a USB device. With your TV turned off, insert the USB into one of its ports. Then turn on the TV and press and hold the Standby button. Release it when you see a software updating message. The TV will install the software automatically and restart once the process is completed. That's it for the video. I hope these steps helped you successfully update your Hisense TV with the latest software. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tutorials. Also, if you have any questions or additional tips that worked for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.